shuffle ball change, shuffle hop step with our right foot, and then we're going to do it again on our left. Shuffle ball change, shuffle hop step, left foot, shuffle ball change, shuffle hop step. Then we're going to do two buffaloes to the right, step, shuffle, step, step, shuffle, step, step, shuffle, step, step to the left, step, shuffle, step, step, shuffle, step, step. Then we're going to do 4 marches. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to step out on your right foot, look to the left, together, left foot out, look to the right, together. Then you're going to do a grapevine to the right, side, back, side, touch, side, back, side, touch. Fan to the right, flat heel, 2 times, feet together, fan to the left, flat heel 2 times, 1, 2. Then we're going to face the front, shuffle ball change, shuffle hop step 2 times, shuffle ball change, shuffle hop step, shuffle ball change, shuffle hop step. Jazz square, cross your right foot over, cross, back, side, spread, 4 marches, 1, 2, 3, 4. Step out on your right foot, your arms go up and open in 4 groups.